Necesitamos el baño.
Breeze on this window.
Huh?
There's a little breeze in this window. I can feel it.
All right.
Gotta love it.
Doors don't work. Muy grande. Muy grande, ¿verdad?
Nice. It's a good breeze.
Oh, nice.
And then the boiler is right behind you. It's pretty new. At least newer than us.
Yeah. That's about water and electric. The closet, the doors in the other room don't work.
Todo esto se revisa, ¿ok? Se va a revisar.
Oh, okay.
Ok, no te preocupes. Te entrega bien. Vamos a arreglar.
¿Y el agua?
Oh, nice.
It's got the same shower thing that we had at first.
Mm-hmm.
¿El agua y luz es incluido?
No. Bueno, la luz, cada quien tiene su medidor. El agua se divide entre los tres departamentos.
¿Separado el departamento?
No, se divide entre los tres. Si el agua viene de 500, se divide entre los tres.
Ok.
¿Ok? Le toca 100 y algo cada quien.
Ok.
Y el gas igual, se divide entre los tres mientras cada uno tenga su tanque.
Ok.
Después se le va a poner cada uno su tanque, pero mientras hay un tanque estacionario para los tres, y se divide igual. La luz cada quien tiene su nivel.
¿El internet?
Cada quien pone su internet.
¿Sabe la compañía?
Está Telcel y Easy. Es que hay muchas compañías.
Ok.
Todo se limpia.
Ok.
¿Es para ustedes dos?
Sí.
Está grande, ¿verdad?
Sí, sí.
¿De dónde son?
Vivimos en Playa hace un año, pero originalmente de Estados Unidos, Florida. Orlando.
That's big.
Yeah.
Es muy grande, es una casa.
Sí.
Una casa enorme, mira.
Yeah.
Pretty much, yeah.
Cool. I like it.
Yeah.
Any other? Internet is easy?
Easy or Telcel.
Oh. Es que hay muchas compañías.
Perfecto.
Vale.
Gracias.
De nada. Está abierto.
Oh. Gracias.
De nada.
Mucho gusto.
Walk back or just wanna...
Let's walk back. Yeah.
Location's amazing.
So what do we think?
Well, it's very spacious. It's a very, very spacious place.
Yeah, it's a pretty big place.
Really nice couch.
Um,
Just kind of one thing that I want different from our current place is a more comfy couch.
yeah, the place that we live at right now has a well, our couch is like it's like an outdoor patio set, so it's, I don't know, it's not great, but closet doors didn't work.
I think he was saying that that can be fixed.
Yeah, I don't know.
They're glad. I looked it up. It thought I was putting in a different language, so I'll have to look that one up. He was speaking very fast Spanish. Usually, people think we don't speak Spanish, so they slow it down. I think I got most of it though.
Yeah, one thing, definitely one thing about this area, if you're not, and one of our friends from Texas wasn't used to this, is it's very moist in this area. We're used to it because we're from Florida, but like that whole place smelled like mildew or mold.
The good thing is there was a sliding glass door, but I'm not sure how much cross breeze there would be. Probably not much. To
Yeah.
help with like the humidity and.
Well, there's windows at least on the, yeah. So we're explaining to our friend from Texas is that a cross breeze is really important for that. Like if there's apartment and there's only like one window on one side, I mean, there's no airflow. So there's going to be mildew, there's going to be mold, and it's really hard to compete with that. So that's one thing to remember when you're looking for an apartment, is to find a place that has a cross breeze. That one does, because the windows in the bedroom, at least there's that. So
It's just, was there one in the bigger bedroom? Because there was a bedroom with a king size bed and then one with like a, I guess, full or a queen, matrimonia. So I guess that's a queen.
yeah. Yeah, so that's another thing to think about. There are some small tools in one of the room next to the kitchen. So I think they probably just bought that and they're looking to rent it out. So, which can be a good thing or a bad thing, but yeah. And the internet, they said there's a few options. So. I don't know, other than that.
It's a really good location.
Yeah, it's a good location.
It's a little more central than where we currently are,
Yeah.
but not a lot more central, which is kind of our ideal spot.
Yeah. And yeah, I don't know. But
Definitely would need a deep clean.
a deep clean.
A very deep clean.
And the shower handles were kind of falling off in the shower. So the price of that one was what?
$13,500.
So we're paying $12,000 right now for a 2-bedroom, 1.5 bath. So this is 2-bedroom and 2 full baths. $13,500.
Open floor plan.
Yeah, it's a lot bigger than our place right now, but so I don't know. Other than that, what else?
It's off of a pretty busy street, but it seems to include a parking space. We don't have a car, so I'm not sure if that really matters, but
yeah,
maybe that means it'll be easy to get a taxi, or
I
maybe
guess,
it'll be harder.
maybe.
I don't know.
Yeah, that's it right now. We'll put up more details if we find out more, but it's definitely some things that need to be repaired. And like I said, it kind of smelled like mold and mildew, which if you're watching the video, you can't smell that. So, but yeah, so that's 13,500 pesos, and we will see if that one's a winner. We have another one to look at tonight, maybe. So
Yeah, 9:30.
we'll keep you posted. Cool.